The sitting harness is what connects our body to the safety steel cable of any Via Ferrata through the Via Ferrata set. Usually, you will wear a climbing harness, but based on your circumstances, you might use either a full body harness or a sitting harness assisted by a chest harness. In general, full body harnesses are used by children and adults too small for a sitting harness, while full body systems might be used by adults with a body shape that will not help keep the sitting harness in place. Any climbing harness will do. From a safety standpoint, if they adhere to the international safety standards, all climbing harnesses have the same efficiency. What differentiates them is scope, price, performance, comfort, durability, fit. Because climbing a Via Ferrata might take hours, when choosing your harness, make sure it is something that is comfortable to wear for that long. Knowing how to fit a sitting harness is very important. If it is too loose, it can create hazard, incorrectly distribute the load, or worse, based on the dynamic of an eventual fall, you might slip out of it. If it is too tight, the stress on the harness itself, plus the discomfort on your body, will be too much to handle. A properly fitted sitting harness will have the ends overlapping or close to each other, will stay firmly above your hips, and will not allow the fist of your hand to get out. If you use a chest harness to complement your climbing harness, make sure you know what you are doing. Only if properly connected and correctly used, a chest harness will keep you in the upright position in the eventuality of a fall. If you'll ever decide to use an improvised chest harness, make sure you understand its limitations. The sole purpose should be that of keeping you sitting in your climbing harness in case you fall upside down, lose your consciousness, or get severely injured.